Your body is already beautiful. Yoga simply helps it shine brighter. Today we'll move through 12 fun and powerful poses that make your body stronger, more flexible, and full of confidence. Let's begin this beautiful journey. 1. Hero Pose. Sit back on your heels like a peaceful hero resting after a long adventure. Your spine stays tall, your chest open. This pose improves posture and opens your hips, making your body calm, centered, and beautifully aligned. 2. Forward Fold. Bend down like a soft waterfall flowing toward the earth. This pose lengthens your legs, relaxes your back, and washes stress away, helping your body look and feel effortlessly graceful. 3. Chair Pose. Sit back into an invisible magical chair. Feel your legs power up and your belly grow stronger. Chair pose shapes your thighs and improves balance. 2 secrets of a strong and beautiful body. 4. Warrior Second. Spread your arms wide and strong. This pose builds courage and power, making your arms and legs beautifully toned. Stand like a calm warrior ready for anything. 5. Pat Pose. Lie on your back and let your knees fall open like butterfly wings or a little resting bat. This pose relaxes the hips, opens the chest, and helps your whole body feel soft, peaceful, and naturally elegant. 6. Lizard Pose. Step 1 foot forward and lower your hips like a gentle lizard warming in the sun. This pose stretches your hips, legs, and back, giving your body long, graceful movement and powerful flexibility. 7. Bow Pose. Grab your ankles and lift your chest and legs. Your body becomes a shining bow full of energy. This pose strengthens your back, shapes your tummy, and fills your whole body with lively beauty. 8. Bridge Pose. Lift your hips like a small glowing bridge. This pose strengthens your back, tones your hips, and gives your whole body a lifted, confident look. 9. Boat Pose. Lean back and balance like a floating boat on a peaceful lake. This pose strengthens your belly and helps your body grow firm, balanced, and beautifully stable. 10. Forearm Plank Pose. Lift your body in a straight, strong line, supported only by your forearms and toes. This pose builds strength in the core, arms, and legs. Everything you need for a strong, beautiful body. 11. Wheel Pose. Press into your hands and feet to lift your body into a shining rainbow wheel. This pose opens the chest, strengthens the back, and makes your entire body look powerful, flexible, and full of bright energy. 12. Child's Pose. Curl into a tiny, peaceful seed resting on the earth. This pose calms your heart, relaxes your body, and reminds you that true beauty begins with inner peace. Your body is growing stronger. Your posture is improving. Your confidence is rising. Each pose you practice today adds more beauty, not just on the outside, but on the inside too. Keep practicing, keep shining, and keep believing in your own unique beauty. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite pose in the comments.